What's up, guys? Mewing is getting very popular, but you know what? It seems like everyone complicates it. So I'm going to tell you how to mew in like 20 seconds. Just smile like this. Give me a big old smile. All right, and then from there, what you're going to do is swallow. And when you swallow, it's going to be back here. So your tongue is actually going to go up. So ready? Smile. And ooh. Now your tongue is pushing back. The base has now lifted up. It's pushing up against the palate. Now you just straighten the tongue. Another really good way you can do this is just say king, king, and enunciate the ing. So the ing is sort of just like swallowing and smiling at the same time. All right, so there, puts you in a good posture. Close your mouth, lips together. The teeth do not need to be together. All right, just a little space. Just close your mouth. Do this while you're meditating, while you're reading, while you're sleeping, all right, while you're working out, all right, practice done. Just let your mouth hang open all day. And it's really going to help you breathe better, man. It'll fix your facial structure over time. It takes time. But really, it's going to help you stop snoring, help you get rid of this, this incelish look that you may have going on, all right, because you've had bad posture all your life and you've been having your mouth open. So something very simple that you can do, fix it. All right, get used to having the tongue being pushed up gently. We're not hard mewing. We're just mewing. All right, get used to that posture throughout the day. Smile, swallow, and close your mouth. All right, very simple. I'll see you guys soon.